Dogecoin bumps 10% on X payment speculation. Doge futures traders lose $10 million. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to say a huge thanks for being here. If you are new here, please do subscribe. We're just around the corner from 20k subs right now, which is really a nice place to be in. So we're checking out Dogecoin today, the OG meme coin. I can't believe it's already like 10 years old. Rank 7 at the moment with a $11.2 billion market capitalization. We can see there's been very bullish price momentum over the last 7 sort of days, trading at lows of 0.069 all the way up to a high just recently of 0.083. It does seem like Dogecoin is finally coming out of its lull, but I think mainly it is the speculation around the news that we are just seeing right here. So crypto traders are buying up Doge in hopes of the token playing a larger role on Twitter, which rebranded as everything X, you know, on the thing like that. So it just looks crap, in my opinion. Everything app with an X. I don't really identify with this logo the same way as I did. I hope it's just a transient phase, but hey, Elon is the king, right? He's the kingpin. So what's going on? Dogecoin rose for the second consecutive day as speculations of the meme coin playing a bigger role on the newly rebranded X platform fueled the rally. And I think Elon Musk, I mean, he's of course one of the most intelligent men of the world, and I think he will naturally have some tricks up his sleeve, guys, waiting for us in the future. You know, he could do something really cool with Dogecoin, and I think it's like his baby, isn't it? He just really loves playing around and having a bit of fun in these markets. So the Reddit is, of course, naturally super wild. Everyone wants to see that $1 Dogecoin. We're a long way, but it could be possible in the bull market as well. So yes, it's interesting. We can see Shibatoshi Nakamoto, he said here, this week's article reflects on a Reddit post I made 10 years ago, 2 months after I made Dogecoin, about appreciating the good moments while they last. So if you want a bit of a blast of the past, head over to the Dogecoin Twitter page. They've got a really fantastic little article there that you can read about basically how Dogecoin was just one huge sort of joke at the start, and now it's like something Elon Musk is, you know, pretty much loving. So imagine that you have a joke and then suddenly Elon Musk is all over the freaking thing. That's an achievement, isn't it? So let's move on to some technical analysis. We can see from a macro point of view, Dogecoin from its previous all-time high of 70 cents is still down 88%. Now, that's quite a big reminder that we are still very much in a bear market. 88%. So even though this feels bullish right now, there are still holders. You know, I salute you guys if you're still holding from that FOMO in May 2021. Wow, hats off to you, because you are still 80% down. So remember, guys, do not FOMO in bull markets. Do not chase these big green candles, because when we start to see the bearish RSIs, divergences, the bearish divergences, that was the word I was looking for, and they happen in bull runs, especially on weekly time frames, you get those downtrends, and it's just downtrend after downtrend. So right now we are in that lovely accumulation phase. I believe this is the sideways phase. We might have another maybe 9 to 12 months left of this, guys. So I'm going to make the most of it if I can. Dollar cost averaging, what do I have set up on my buy orders? What reminders have I got set up? I have, of course, 0.049 as a reminder. I have 0.056 on Dogecoin as a reminder, and another key support level that we just recently saw was 0.053. So for me, if Dogecoin ever comes back down towards the 5 cents level, for me that makes a great buying opportunity. As we can see, when we're under the 20-day moving average, and when we look at our Bollinger Band close, when we fall short of that, just like we did a few times, it reflects insane volatility, extreme fear in the markets, and usually a good place to actually be, you know, dollar cost averaging into these coins, or Doge cost averaging, whatever you want to call it. What we could also see is that the coin here, Dogecoin, is actually trading in a broadening channel, which does reflect quite a lot of volatility in the markets, but it's still a consolidation phase. We are still following a trajectory of supports and resistances. So what I would like to see for Doge over the next few kind of weeks or months, if we can get some really bullish momentum, is to break out, have an impulse, have a small correction, and then make our way up to the 10 and 11 cents phase. That would be the bullish scenario here. Of course, it's very possible to still see a breakdown following this short-term euphoric pump because it is news-based speculation, and usually these things don't last a long time, and we are still in a bear market, so naturally everything is still sideways and pretty much down. So that's why I like to try and just dollar cost average on the red days, like the really red days where everything feels like, you know, absolute shit and people are screaming that crypto is a scam again. They are usually your best buying indicators sometimes. So yeah, looking pretty decent. This is a nice breakout. We can actually see that this coin, DOGECOIN, has been trading within an ascending triangle, and we can see pretty much it just broke out recently of the 0.071 level. Now if we're looking ahead to the future very quickly, what sort of price predictions can we give DOGECOIN for, let's say, the next crypto bull run? Well, firstly, what we sitting at? $11.2 billion market capitalization. Quick blast of the past. What did we get before? $73 billion. So to get back there, we need to see around a 6-7x, which would bring the price up to, what is it, 6 times 8? I can't think really quick right now. 48 cents. That still wouldn't be enough for an all-time high. So even though the market capital would revisit the previous market capital all-time high, because there are more tokens in circulation, you're not going to actually see the unit cost all-time high. So you got to remember that, guys. Circulation is a big thing, and as it gets injected, as more coins circulate, there's usually a negative shock on the price. Yeah, that's not always fun, is it? Because you feel like you're getting somewhere, but you're actually you're kind of not really getting anywhere. So it's a long-term game. That's why they want it to be a long-term game, like a 50-year sort of thing, which is absolutely fine. 3 consecutive weekly candles. Hopefully we get some continuation. What do you think about DOGECOIN, guys? Please let me know. Are we going to hit the 11 cents? I think another major target will be 15 cents because of this huge sell wick from October and November 2022. These resistances do matter, guys. I know a lot of you say technical analysis is a load of rubbish, but these really matter, and it's usually not a coincidence when you see coins perfectly get rejected at the same levels. I mean, look at this. Absolutely incredible. So this was a support, July 2021, right here, and we had it at 0.158. Fast forward, why would that be now a resistance? Because it was previously a support, and it's perfect. You can't make that up if you tried. What other meme coins are looking pretty hot in the market right now? We have evil Pepe coin. This is one that I bought a few coins of. This is pretty cool. It rides the Pepe trend, and they've raised $861,000 at the moment. 2 million is the target right here, as we can see. So it's a pretty low cap raise, which does give people a pretty fair chance, an opportunity to potentially see a pump afterwards. So usually anything Pepe related just gets a lot of traction in the market. People just love Pepe from the meme mania phase we had this May, but it's really easy to buy. It's a pre-sale, guys, so remember, it's not financial advice. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose ever. It's always a silly idea. I've been there and I've done that, and it's not fun. 6.66 billion total supply. Pre-sale, there's going to be 90% of the tokens sold, and then 1 month liquidity lock of 10%. So don't get greedy. If you see a 2 to 3x, be happy with that. Then recompound your investment into other areas. Use ICOs as crypto diversity opportunities. You know, really diversify. It's absolutely fine to do that, and just don't ape in with 100% of your money. I mean, that's certainly what I would do. You know, I wouldn't ape in. I would be choosing like 10 decent projects, maybe like a couple low caps, then maybe like an ICO or 2 or 3 if I can be bothered. But yeah, 6 days, 23 hours, guys. The clock is ticking right here. We can see one evil Pepe is 0.00033. So check it out. The website's down below. They've got a nice looking roadmap as well as a white paper, which you should do your own research on. And yeah, let me know if you're going to grab this one too, guys, because the guys in the Discord, they are loving it. I'm going to show you the chat right now, but we can see there is the evil Pepe section, and these guys really do like it. So check it out. What else can we look at very quickly? Crypto bubbles. It is a bit of a red day, mixed emotions in the crypto markets once again, but we can see Compound up, CAS up, PLS up, Doge is up as well. Bitcoin continues to consolidate, shall we say, at 29.2k. Ethereum 1854, really struggling to get through that $2,000 price level. Can't wait for the flipping. On the week, again, another rather red day. Pepe is actually down, so could evil Pepe be the next Pepe to be the one that's in the green and not the red, hopefully. If you're new here, remember we've got the Jacob Crypto clan. We've got the Discord channel where you can learn everything you need to really about the crypto markets. We've got everything that you should need. Make sure you get in there should you wish. We've got different tiers available, so if you want to get spot trade signals, leverage trade signals, if you want early access to pre-sales, white listings, ICOs similar to the sponge token that we recently saw, and also things like Mr. Hanky, the Discord and the Patreon is a good place to start. Remember, just get the packages that you feel would benefit you most. I'm not trying to say get the best ones. I mean, we have budget friendly ones as well, like the Crypto Hunter, but it'll be great to see you there, even just in the Discord for free. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, let's hit that 20k and see you all soon. Latest, guys.